Earning money online is more accessible than ever. You can freelance by writing articles, leveraging platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, and make a solid income. If you're into e-commerce, consider selling products on Etsy or Amazon. It's a fantastic way to turn your passion into profit. Content creation is booming. Start a YouTube channel and share your expertise or hobbies. Online tutoring is another great option. Help students learn while earning from home. And don't forget affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn commissions. With dedication and the right tools, you can start your online journey today.